In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ManyChat to build bots. We'll walk through creating a simple, effective chatbot from scratch, so you can start automating replies and guiding your audience without needing to write any code. First, log into your ManyChat account, or sign up if you don't have one yet. Once you're in the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the settings option. It's the one with the little gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll handle all your core connections and preferences. Inside settings, look again at the left panel and find the section called channels. This is where you connect ManyChat to the platforms you want to use, like Messenger or other supported channels. Click on a channel you want to use and follow the prompts to connect your account for that channel to ManyChat. Make sure the connection is successful, because your bot can't interact with users unless the channel is properly linked. Once your channel is connected, move back to the main left panel and click on automation. Here, you'll see a list of automations you've already created, if any. To build a new bot flow, go to the top right and click on New Automation. A pop-up window will appear. In the top right of that pop-up, choose Start from Scratch, and from the drop-down, select Start with a blank. This gives you a clean slate and full control over your bot's logic. You're now inside the automation editor. This is where you design how your bot behaves. Start by clicking New Trigger. A pop-up will appear showing the channels you've connected to ManyChat. Select the channel you want to build this chatbot for. Once you choose it, you'll see a list of triggers. For this example, choose Messenger and select User Sends a Message as the trigger. A drawer will slide open on the left side. Here you choose how this automation should be triggered. You can either detect specific words in a message, or use AI to recognize the user's intention. If you pick Detect Specific Words, type in the keywords your customers might use, such as shop, hello, hi, or support. These keywords will activate the automation. When you're done, click Create. Next, set up your first step. Choose Messenger as the message type. Write a friendly welcome message, something like, "Hi, welcome to our page. I'm your virtual assistant. I can help you browse products, get a free guide, or talk to our team. What would you like to do?" Then start adding buttons to guide people. Click the Add button and give it a clear name, like Shop Here or Browse Products. For this button, select the action Open Website, paste in the link to your shop, and click Done. Add another button, maybe called Support. Choose Messenger again so that when someone taps it, they receive a follow-up message. Click Done. Repeat this process for each type of inquiry you expect, such as FAQs, bookings, or contact options. Each Messenger message you connect to a button will appear as a new step in your automation. Click on each new step and customize the message. For a support button, for example, you might say that they will be connected with a member of your support team, or give them options like live chat or email support, depending on your process. Once you've reviewed the flow and tested that each button leads to the correct step, look to the top right of the editor and click Go Live. That's it. Your ManyChat bot is now published and ready to start interacting with your audience.